want to make money from Offerwalls? In this video, I will show you everything you need to complete Offerwall tasks on websites like Timebucks, Free Cash, Swagbucks, and other online earning sites. Offerwalls are ads that pay users to take particular actions. Actions include downloading and testing apps, downloading games, playing, and reaching specific levels in the game, signing up for websites, completing surveys, playing quizzes and other promotional tasks. Game offers usually pay the highest, as they require users to reach a certain level in the game, which takes time. For example, there was a game in Tapjoy Offerwall inside freecash.com. It said it would pay up to 9,000 plus coins. 1,000 coins are equal to $1 in free cash, so anyone could earn up to $9 by this game. For that, we need to download the game and reach levels to earn. For downloading and completing tutorial, it gives 165 coins. For reaching player level 5, it pays 330 coins. And for achieving level 25, it pays $4.9. A total of $9 could be earned. To start these offers, we need to click here, then it will redirect to the Play Store or App Store. I started downloading this game, and after downloading, I opened the game and completed the tutorial. And as you can see, I received the reward for that. After that, I played the game for some time and reached level 5, and Tapjoy paid me 330 coins for that. Then after a few days, I got free time, so I played for some hours every day for a few days and reached level 15, and received the money for that. That's how we can complete game offers and make money by playing games. That was just one game. There are so many games like that in different offer walls. If anyone has time to play these games and complete levels, they can earn around $100 per month or more if they play multiple games. Before starting any offer, always read the instructions and requirements so that you can complete the offer successfully. Some common requirements to get paid for doing tasks are, you need to be a new user, for example. If you downloaded an app or game and got paid for that in the past, and now that app or game shows in another offer wall and you download it again, you will not get paid for that. Usually, if you fulfill all requirements accurately, then you will be paid as I showed by playing this game. However, sometimes offer walls unable to track that you completed the offer. The solution is, open that offer wall from where you completed the task. Go to Options, then go to Reward Status, and select the task that you have done. You will see an option to contact support or raise a ticket. From here, you can share the proof that you completed the offer, and within few days after verifying that you completed the offer correctly, they will give you the amount. The proof can be a screenshot that shows you completed the offer. Another information they need sometimes to track that you completed the offer is your Google Ad ID, which you can find by going into Settings, Google, and clicking on Ads. Here you will see your ad ID. Write this ID if they ask for it so they can track that you completed the offer. Some best offer walls, as per my experience, are AdGem, iAt Studios, and Tapjoy. Many online earning websites contain these types of offer walls, so you can compare different websites before starting an offer to check which one is paying the highest. You can also join our Telegram chat group to chat about anything related to making money online, and can ask for help or guidance in completing offers. Link in the description and first comment. Offer walls also contain surveys to earn money. I already uploaded 2 videos on my channel about surveys. You can watch and learn how to qualify and complete surveys as well. So that's how you can use offer walls to earn money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.